Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 3, Science and Technology, Chapter Rocks and Metals. Here are some objects made of different metals. Guess the name of the metals from the pictures and the clues given and write them from the help box given below. So, let we start. Number 1. Soda cans are usually made of this metal, tin. The most commonly found metal used to make steel, iron. Electrical wires are commonly made of this metal, copper. 4. A precious yellow metal used to make jewelry, gold. Another precious metal that is white in color and is used to make jewelry and coins, silver. Next, how much do you know about rocks and stones? Choose the words given in the box to fill in the blanks. 1. Are beautiful stones used to make jewelry. Gemstone. Dash stones are the bubbles of volcanic lava. Pumic. Chalk is a type of limestone. Dash is an igneous rock used to make buildings. 4. It is granite. Metamorphic is a kind of rock. Pencillets are pencillet are made of graphite. Dash is the molten rock that comes out from volcanoes. Number 7. Dash is the molten rock. Lava is the molten rock that comes out from volcanoes. Dash, the Taj Mahal is made of marble. 9. Dash is the hardest natural substance found on the earth. Diamond. 10. Dash is a fossil fuel. Coal. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Space exploration. On 4 October 1957, the Soviet Union launched the Sputnik 1, the first Earth orbiting artificial satellite. So it burned up 4 January 1958 while it re-entered the Earth's atmosphere. On 12th April 1961, Major Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to go into outer space and orbit the Earth. His craft Vostok 1 circled the Earth at a speed of 27,400 km per hour. The flight lasted 108 minutes. The space shuttle completes one orbit around the Earth approximately every 90 minutes. Astronauts see one sunrise and one sunset each orbit. There are 16 sunrises, sunsets every 24 hours. Alan Shepard, an American naval officer, is the only person to hit a golf ball on the moon. He hit 2 golf balls on the surface of the moon. The Mars Orbiter mission, also called Mangalyaan, is a space probe orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. It was launched on 5 November 2013. It is the first mission to Mars by India. So dear students, this chapter is in here. So let's begin the next chapter. Source of energy. Can you name the source of energy that is being used in each of these pictures? You can choose words from the help box below. 1. Car, petrol. Number 2, jet fuel. Number 3, CNG. Number 4, wood and coal. Number 5, wind. Number 6, electricity, water. Number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, water. Number 7, electricity. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Traveling across sky, sea and land. Means of transport are used for the transports of persons or cargo by land, air or water. Identify these means of transport. 1. It carries people and goods over land and sea. It can move easily from water to land. Okay, so without stopping, it can walk across land and ice. There is help box. It is hovercraft. 2. For longer distances across the country, people use this faster means of land transport. It travels directly between cities with few stops. Bullet train. Bullet train. Number 3, it can fly over fast. At first, it was jointly built by British and French manufacturer. It's London to New York. Flight completes in less than 4 hours. Concorde. What is it? Concorde. Number 4. It is also known as car ferry. It is used to travel for short distances in the sea. Hydrofoil. Number 5. Air travel began with hot air balloons, but later this means of air transport was invented. It looks like a balloon, but it is powered by engines. ये है airship. Number 6. Where people need to travel great distances in a short time, they use it. It may be expensive, but it is very comfortable. It has wings. Aeroplane. Pick and tick. Take right the correct option. Which of the following carries passengers from one corner of the world to another? Passenger ship. Which of the following is also known as hydrofoil? Car ferry. Which of the following can equally move on land, water and ice? Hovercraft. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Computers. Computer is the essential need of nowadays everywhere. How computer savvy are you? Do this quiz to find out. What is GIGO? Garbage in, garbage out. To correct this sentence, which key will you use? She Celestia shells on the seashore. Space bar. Which of these can harm your computer? Virus. Which tool can be used to draw circle or ellipse shaped figures is MS Paint? 4. Oval. To save a drawing using your keyboard, you will use Ctrl S. Windows in the world of computers is an operating system. Which of the following is the name of a computer font? Comic Sans. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.